Bullish Bitcoin money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $542.08 and $1,023.93 by 2030. Market examiners accept BCH could reach $421.62 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $96.37. Bitcoin money presentation. One of the most well-known forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was propelled by misery with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash, the making of Bitcoin money. What works more like a cash than a store of significant worth lighted a furious debate between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and economically. Close to this time, a supposed nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and pronouncing it to as of now not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start yet has encountered unrest from that point onward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more helpful cash, devotees of digital currencies habitually put resources into it. The coin's cost has the common market instability. Yet what is Bitcoin money? In spite of the fact that it isn't the most seasoned, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital money split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. This shows an eagerness to keep Bitcoin and digital currencies overall advancing. But BCH's forking was basically persuaded by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and sat tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are normally somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for each block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. Bitcoin money central investigation. For most of its presence, Bitcoin money clutched the main 10 monetary standards by market cap, but it has of late lost that position. The cost of the money doesn't actually come near that of Bitcoin. Even at its pinnacle, only a couple of days after Bitcoin outperformed $20,000, it simply figured out how to reach $3,643. All through its most memorable year, Bitcoin money's cost vacillated fiercely. Yet after the finish of 2018 and up until this point, the cost has been less unpredictable, however basically moving lower. In something like 2 months of beginning its cost history in August 2017 at $573, Bitcoin money has hit its untouched high. Bitcoin money is at present worth $120.47 USD. BCH has moved 0.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $105,257,832. Bitcoin money is at present position 29 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,311,687,243 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Bitcoin money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $180.71. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $168.66 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progression. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $144.57. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Bitcoin money BCH cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $301.18. Notwithstanding, We ought to hold on to check whether the BCH's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $240.94 and a typical exchanging cost of $265.04. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $421.65 and BCH might benefit on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $385.51 and a low of $361.42 in 2025. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Bitcoin Money effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $542.13, with a base cost of $481.89 and a typical cost of $505.98. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $626.46 by 2027, with a base cost of $602.36 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BCH has a greatest value worth of $662.60. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $746.93. On the off chance that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $783.07. Neglecting to accumulate the help BCH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $722.83. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $843.31 and a yearly cost close above $903.54 in 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Money will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $963.78 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1,024.01, averaging out at $987.87. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging as a troublesome errand makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest BCH cost in 2031 is projected to be $1,180.63 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of